Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and what's coming up? Valentine's Day, that's what. So happy Valentine's Day, because you're going to get the cutest craft from the library and you're going to love it. The first thing you'll get is you're going to get this little practice sheet to help you find the things that end with ing. So you're going to do ing things, okay? And that's going to be fun. And then you turn it over and you look, oops, we got to turn that right side up. And then you turn it over and it's going to be rhyming. Cat, hop, ball, and all the words that rhyme are down there. So you can cut them out and paste them up there, or you can write them where they belong in the columns. So this is your little practice Dr. Seuss page. But then, here's the fun part. You get a string, and you get a little piece of cardboard that says Happy Valentine's Day, and it has a keychain, and then you have hearts, and you have blue beads and pink beads and pink and dark pink beads. So this is what you do. You've got this ready like this. I'm going to fold this in half, and I'm going to put it through here. Can you see me? And then I'm going to grab these two, and I'm going to pull this one over, and I'm going to pull tight, real tight. And this is what I have. All right. Now you have two strings. I think I'll put a pink bead. And you have to put both of them through so it's like that. Oh, I think I'll put a light pink bead next. Be careful. Get them through all. Can we get them through there? They're a little bit hard to do. But guess what? If you keep trying, oops, we got it. And then we're just going to keep going like that. I'm going to put a blue one and push them through. See how they're going through there? Take it down. I'm going to put a red heart. Ooh, make sure you get the heart. It's itty bitty, look. But there's the bottom of the heart. And I'm going to put the bottom of my heart going down and keep going. And I think I'll put another dark pink. I like that one. But I like them all. And then what should we put next? Oh, let's put another heart. Oh yes, because I have more hearts than that. Oh, be careful. It's wanting, we have to hold it tight and put, oh, there it goes. Look, perfect. I think I'll put a blue one. And you can arrange yours any way you want. And you just have to watch. And this little comes out the top like this. Whoops, did you see that? It was going to slide off. There's the blue one. I need another heart. Another heart. Oh, I'm so excited. This is going to be really pretty, guys. And it's a real keychain. Be careful. Don't let it slip off now. And one more pink. There it goes. See it? See how they come out the end? And you just pull them down. Guess what, guys? One more red. And I'm going to put my red on just like this. Now, you might ask me, are you sure you put those red hearts on? Well, here's the truth. Yes, I put mine like this. And so then I'm going to tie a knot in it. But you could put yours on the other way. Now I have to be careful here and make sure my knot goes down a little bit, down a little bit. I don't want to have too much space. I'm just going to pull it down there a little bit more and a little bit more like that. Tight. And then here is your keychain. And it has hearts like that. And there's your picture. And happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy your Dr. Seuss keychain.